Today, we'll be taking a look at the suspension rod on this Whirlpool top-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, there are 2 screws that have to be taken out here on the top portion. And this is what holds the top to the frame. And then you'll have to remove this plate by removing the 1/4-inch screw. Swing out on the plate, set it to the side, and now we will return to the front. Next, need to lift the top. In order to lift the top, you're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. And what you'll do is put it on the front corner sides, and you're going to twist the screwdriver to apply pressure up while pushing forward on the top. And make sure you are twisting on the screwdriver prior to pulling forward. Do the same on the opposite side. Put it on the corner, twist, pull forward. You'll see the entire front portion of the top has pulled forward. Then we're going to get some electrical tape. Just kind of get it started on here. You're going to wiggle the top, just lift it up, and then apply a little bit of electrical tape on the side. We will do the same on the opposite side here. This is to keep the top from sliding up. Then, when you lift it up, you'll drop it in the stakes on the back, drop it in, and lift it up and support it. Now that we have the top lifted up and supported, we have clear access to our shocks. Now there's a total of 4 shock absorbers on this unit. The main reasons why you'd be replacing your shock is if the unit is going heavily off balance. Now, because it has an agitator, it is normal for it to go off balance. So if you need to test out your shocks, what you'll want to do is press down on one side of the tub and let it come back up. If it comes up and stays, that means your shock is good. But if it continues to bounce, that's an indicator that your shock is bad and needs to be replaced. Now each one of these shocks change out the same exact way. It's going to be a little hard to see, so I'm going to explain it to you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up the pole and pull it out of here. And then on the very bottom, you'll see there's some black clips down there. I'm going to pinch on both sides, drop it down, and pull it out. So it can be rather difficult to lift up the shock. But what we'll do here is I'm going to reach down to the very bottom. I'm going to lift up on the drum and the shock at the same time. Pull it out of this piece. Drop the shock down. While I'm reached down here, I'm going to pinch the clip, slide the shock out of the side. You'll want to pull it up, out, and then set the assembly to the side. When installing a new shock absorber, the way we are going to install it is on the very bottom here, you have your hole, and then there's a little slot right in the side. What we will do is we will slide the shock down, put this portion right here between the slotted area, then slide up. So let's drop it down. Let's put it, the black tabs below, slide it through, pop it up to lock it in place. And then we have to pull the shock wire up through this hole right here and reattach this piece. So you're going to grab the bottom, pull it up, slide it in and turn it, drop it down. Now we can reinstall the top. When reinstalling the top, first we're going to slide our tape back so it's not stuck underneath. Go ahead and bring your top down and try to line it up as good as possible and then remove your tape. Then, to reinstall the top, you'll pull it forward, push down, and slide back. Make sure it's locked into place. Now we can reinstall the screws on the back. Now at the back, let's start by reinstalling the plate. You will put the teeth in, swing it over, install your screw. We have the 2 1/4-inch screws that hold the top to the bottom. And this will complete your repair.
Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.